So guys, thank you very much for engaging on our channel, and thank you for the efforts you're putting to grow our channel. Okay, so one of you sent me a message, I would say an advert, and the advert reads thus, right? Claim up to $30,000 in free crypto airdrop with what? The Turbo coin airdrop. All right, now let me read it again. Maybe I made a mistake. Claim up to $30,000 in free crypto with Turbo coin airdrop, and this was followed by a link. All right, so let's look at this link together. Okay, when I clicked on the link, I had something that looks like this. It's unclear how many of you have come across something like this, but this is how it looked. Okay, all right, now I haven't clicked. Actually, the person was trying to find out whether this is a very good airdrop that they can, continue to mine, or probably try to go up like the Pi coin. When I clicked on the link, I saw a very nice looking website. I would say it's a nice looking website. This was probably well designed. They have a wallpaper, they have all that. Okay, now you have to know that this is not a review. All right, I'm just informing you of what I saw on the advert. Okay, all right, so when I went down to the airdrop, to the page which is talking about the airdrop, here is what the airdrop is saying. Turbo token began as a bold experiment in cryptocurrency creation, inspired by the power of artificial intelligence of the project, blah, 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 blah. And then at the end of the day, they said, starting with a budget of $69. Where on planet Earth would you want to claim a crypto airdrop? And for the first time in history, I'm seeing that you have to claim a crypto airdrop by making a deposit of $69. Maybe you've seen that on other projects, but most projects that made waves on the internet, this kind of cost is not coming. I will tell you the truth. If Hamster Combat requested people to deposit money before they claim coins, Hamster Combat would never be what it is. All right. If Picoin was requesting people to deposit some money before they can claim some coins, it will not be what it is. Okay. You will not tell me that you propose some free coins to me, or free tokens, as you call it, then suddenly along the line I have to make a deposit. No. Okay, this is not a review. This is not a review. I'm just trying to inform you of things that are happening online, which you have to, also look at and tell me what you think. So tell me what you think about this Turbo airdrop of a thing, which promised to give over $30,000 in airdrop, but I have to deposit $69. Now, when he sent the website, he sent the link. I noticed that even on some channels on YouTube, some videos were made some time ago about this coin, and this same website, this same Turbo airdrop has like 5 links, some with .org, some with .com, some with Mirror. It's unclear which one is which. But honestly, things like this are happening on the internet, and you need to be very watchful. For those of you who feel that the Turbo airdrop is trustworthy, please be mindful of what link you're using, because already I've stumbled upon more than 3 links. Okay, so to that friend that was telling me about this crypto project, asking me to put some money in, is really not possible at this time. And for those of you who want to make deposit, it's unclear what I'm going to tell you, but there's a whole lot of questions, a whole lot of doubts as far as this coin is concerned, as far as this airdrop is concerned. Okay.